To view hidden sheets in Excel, you can use the unhide command. This is done by right-clicking on any sheet in the workbook, which is typically displayed at the bottom, and selecting the unhide option from the pop-up menu. A dialog box will then appear, allowing you to select the hidden worksheet you wish to view. Simply choose the desired sheet and click OK. The hidden worksheet will then appear alongside the other unhidden worksheets at the bottom of the Excel workbook. Alternatively, you can view hidden sheets through the ribbon. For Excel 2010, 2013, 2016, and 2019, start by selecting a worksheet tab at the bottom of the file. Then click on Home at the top of the page. Next, select the Format section, which is located to the right, and scroll down to Visibility. From there, choose Hide and Unhide, and then select the Unhide Sheet option from the small menu that appears. When the dialog box appears, select the sheet you want to view and click OK. For Excel 2003 or earlier, the process is similar, but you need to select the Format menu. Then click on Sheet in the Unhide section. It's worth noting that these methods allow you to unhide one sheet at a time, which can be time-consuming if you need to view multiple hidden sheets. However, you can also use Visual Basic for applications. VBA code to view multiple hidden sheets at once. To do this, press the Alt and F11 keys to open the VBA window. Then select Insert and choose Module. Enter the specific macro in the module window and press the F5 key to run it and display the hidden sheets. By using these methods, you can easily view hidden sheets in Excel.